Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Been a minute since I recorded a video, but we're back. Here's my boy Nate. We're about to do a fresh cut on him right now, you know. You wanna let him know what we're gonna do? What we're looking for?
Yeah, let's do the number 2 on top with the grain medium ball fade.
Alright, for sure. What's up, everybody? So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off by combing down the hair to get a clean canvas. I prefer these right here. These are the Gold FX trimmers. Start off by doing my guideline. We are doing a mid bald fade. You always got to keep that area that you're working on clean. So what I always do, I always use my duster, make sure it's nice and clean. And then after that, for my next step, I'm about to go in with the Braun 9, the Series 9. I like these a lot, honestly. This has been like the best shaver that I have had. For some reason, I'm pretty picky with like my machine, so this one right here gets the job done pretty well. So my preferred shaver and only shaver that I got. So balding that out now. My next step after that is the half guard. I do a half guard closed. I go about like 1/2 inch to 1 inch up from my guideline that I had originally made. And I make that as clean as possible as I can all the time. Man, the duster, I'm telling you, it always comes to play. It helps me keep my area that I'm working on clean, and I'm always using that. So after that's done, I come in just with the machine, and I just blend out that line that I had left to blend it into the half guard. I usually always come in closed for the most part, and then open slightly depending on where I'm at, on where it looks darker, to get maximum results on the blend and keep it nice and clean, you know what I mean? So this is just the way I cut hair. Like everybody has their own techniques, you know. This is just the way I cut hair, and just wanna put a little video out there, you know, on that, and try to keep on keeping it consistent with this. See what we get. Now right here, this is the number 1 guard. From that half, I'm gonna go up with the number 1 guard about, say, 1 inch, 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Usually that's how I always blend, like 1/2 inch to 1 inch. But as I get to the top, I kind of like start pulling out, like, to get that blend, you know what I mean? So that way, get that graduation. You will see the end result. You're gonna like it. Well, hopefully. Now I'm about to go in with the 1.5 guard, the cheating guard. But so I'm not gonna do clipper or comb on him because he has that wavy hair. I'm gonna use this guard right here for my personal preference. How I said before, this is the way I cut hair, the way I do things. back to the 1 guard to blend into that 1.5. Get that nice smooth blend. Always keep the canvas clean. Major key right there. So we are doing a 2 on the top with the grain. He has them waves going on, you know what I mean? So we gotta keep them nice and clean. And then we're gonna go back in and erase that line that you see right there. So I'm about to go back in there with the 1.5. Same way that I did the 2 with the grain. I'm gonna do the 1.5 but on the sides right there. And this is gonna cause for the blend to come in smoother. And also after that, I'm gonna go with the number 1 guard and do the same. Just all repetition, you know, with different sizes of guards. Just get a smoother blend. Now I'm gonna go in there and brush that down so it's nice and clean. I'm gonna go back in there with the 1.5 upwards now to blend that line in. So you guys can see it's just blending in, you know, nicely. That's pretty much it right there. The same steps will apply to the other side, but usually, sometimes, the hair grows differently with this type of texture of hair. So you might have to apply the blending techniques a little bit different, just depending on how it grows, but there you have it. Thanks for watching. By the way, my boy already had his lineup done. You know, he did it himself. He doesn't really trust too many people with the lineup, you know what I mean? But I just went up and cleaned it up a little bit more. Hit dinner a couple days ago, I believe. So that's that. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to come out with some dope haircuts, you know, like something that like people will enjoy watching. Nothing too boring, you know. Just wrapped up a video here at Fino for Man. My boy Nate should be up sometime this week. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Peace.